Day 13 of me solving a challenge a day, and today's challenge is the hurdle race. A video player plays a game in which the character competes in a hurdle race. Hurdles are of varying heights and the characters have a maximum height they can jump. There's a magic potion they can take that will increase their maximum jump height by 1 unit for each dose. How many doses of the potion must the character take to be able to jump all of the hurdles? If the character can already clear all of the hurdles, return 0. Alright, so we're looking for anything that's bigger than the characters. Okay. And then we're returning the minimum number of doses required that he needs, right? Return the minimum number of doses required. Okay. I think if it's an explanation, here we have, why do we have 2 inputs? Height, and the height the character can jump naturally, and the height of each hurdle. Oh, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 4, which means, yes, 2. Okay, because it can clear everything but 5 and 6, and between 5 and 6 is the highest number, and the difference is 2. Okay, I think that should be pretty straightforward. So let's say we want to say higher is height, filter where is higher than k, and then we have higher, and then we say, we might just say max, and that will be max if max is higher than k. Let's do this potion. Actually, let's just say return. Max minus k, else k minus max. What am I saying? This is always gonna be like this. This is the result. Must be unwrapped. Okay. What if there's no max, right? Let's just do this. Test case, wrong answer. Your output is -7. Why is it -7? 7 is the jump height, and then, oh, okay. Okay, of course. If max is bigger than, oh, if higher, count 0, return 0. Else, we can already put that up here. Else we want to get the max, and then we can say return max minus k. That would be like, yeah, that should be it. Ta-da! Let's submit it. And succeeded! Great! That was an easy one. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you like this format. Subscribe if you don't want to miss out on tomorrow's algorithm video, and leave a comment if you have any kind of feedback for me. See you then.